Hello everybody, and I'm going to be introducing the lab that we'll do next week in your next class. And this is my lovely assistant, Yuval. He will be showing you some of the objects we'll be using in the lab. Okay, before you come to class, there are questions at the very beginning here, questions to get you ready, and I suggest that you try to answer those before you come. I will have hard copies of the lab for those of you who prefer that. If you want to do it digitally, you can save a copy and then you can edit as you like in Drive. Okay, so make sure you review the questions and know how to answer them, because we'll discuss that before we start the lab. These are the materials that you're going to need. 2 plastic containers. Okay, 3 glass marbles. So everybody knows what glass marbles are, right? Okay, a bolt. Lovely. 1 small nut. Not the tree kind, it's the metal one. Okay, and then we're going to be using some cubes of different substances. So it might be a copper, it might be brass, it might be oak wood, it might be aluminum, okay, or probably polypropylene. That's a really hard one to say. Okay, and just in case you don't know what they are, Yuval's going to show you a beaker, yeah, and a graduated cylinder. These are some of the tools we'll be using, and also a triple beam balance, but I didn't bring those, but we'll look at that when we get to class. It's very important before you come to class to do the lab that you've read through the procedure and you're familiar with what we're going to do. Also, if you have questions about something that you read in the procedure, you need to ask me before you get started. Okay, so this is the lab, and I've kind of color coded it so that you can see the right materials with the right section of the procedure. You're going to have to be measuring mass and volume. You're going to have to be calculating density. So you might want to review those terms that we did in class with the CK12 assignment before you come as well. And then we'll do the conclusion questions, of course, after we're done with the lab. So that is the expectation, that you're ready to go on the lab when you come into class, and you're not standing there going, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Come on, you go. Peace out.